Hello.
Hi everyone, welcome back. So mom is going to show us how to make Chataigne curry or curry Chataigne in today's episode. And I know a lot of you requested it, so thank you so much to Wendell for finally bringing the Chataigne. So I hope you all enjoyed the recipe and thank you mom for sharing.
You're most welcome.
So here we have a Chataigne and daddy's going to cut it up. So he cut the stem off and then the base, and he's washing it out to make sure any dirt or anything is off. Now he's gonna peel it. And as he's peeling it, you get this like a very earthy scent. And you'll see some white creamy liquid. That's what we call the latex. So usually when you cut Chataigne, you put oil on your finger just so that the latex doesn't stick, because it's very, very sticky. And then he's discarding all the skin in a bag here. And here he has some that's cleaned already. So he's gonna show you how he got to this stage. He's cutting it in half now. And you'll hear Dory saying hello in the back. So you see the seeds. And then there's layers of flesh there. So you basically want to cut it in half and then in four. And then you want to take that very hard core out. So it's very, very hard. So you see this part is very, very tough here. So you take the seed out and the flesh, you have to pull the flesh apart. So you pull the seeds out first and then the flesh is in layers. So what you want to do is pull those layers apart. And if there's any hard pieces, you cut it off. It won't cook properly. Actually, it won't cook at all. So you'll see he's pulling the layers apart. Right. So you pull it apart into single layers like this. So there's two layers of skin on the seed that you want to pull off. So there's a thick layer here and then there's a thinner white layer underneath. So you have to pull this hard skin off and then you have to scrape the thin white piece off. So he's cutting it in half and then he's pulling the hard skin off and then scraping that white layer off. So my mom is adding the oil to the pot. What are you adding, Mom?
The pepper, garlic, and pimento.
We have some noise makers here. So if I can't hear the ingredients, it's because of them. It's because of this one right here.
Your boiler is called the fat and pills.
So we kept back some of the Chataigne seeds. We're gonna boil these. So she's chunking some garlic, onion, hot pepper and pimento peppers. And you leave that to chunky for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. What you adding, Mom?
Come on, you add a lot.
Some curry. I'm sorry about the background noise. There's bat on them.
I don't let my curry cook as much because already was.
So your curry mixed already with jeera?
Yeah.
Okay. So she's gonna add the Chataigne in. So this was about 4 baked Chataigne, but this will reduce. So even though it looks like a lot, it's gonna reduce. So she just added a little salt. So how high you have the heat on?
It's a medium. So just gonna add a little water, very little, just to get the curry to cook a bit.
And for the steam.
Yeah, to get the pot to start. And later on we'll add some more water.
So she's covering it now and we'll check it back in a little bit.
Simmer a bit so we can add some more water. This is the water that I'm going to boil it and cook it.
So she just took the cover off after about 10 minutes and she's gonna add some more water to let it cook and to soften up.
So this is what it looked like after boiling for a while. It reduced a bit and it needs some more boiling. Already starting to cook. You can see the seeds already getting soft.
So how long do you think?
I think probably about 15 minutes.
So we're going on now.
Now it's finished.
Oh, so you just take the cover off.
You can see how the Chataigne cooked.
So most of the liquid has reduced.
You can leave it to cook for a little more and get out some more of the water out.
I know most people put coconut milk in their Chataigne. How come you didn't put any?
I like to taste the vegetable and I don't like nothing to mask the taste. So I like to taste the Chataigne,
Not the coconut.
coconut.
So Mom is adding some Karapillay or curry leaves. So the Chataigne is finished at this stage. So you'll notice that the pulp or the flesh is very nice and soft, and the seeds are going to be very soft as well and tender. Right, so she's turning the heater off there, and that's it. And in total, this cooked for about half an hour to 45 minutes. So it also depends again on the maturity of the Chataigne or the breadnut. So thank you, Mommy, for sharing your Chataigne recipe.
You're most welcome.
So I hope you all try it out.